over the airfield when they were at their most vulnerable. So the aircraft signal frequency is about to rally to start its display. And I think with this nice little bit of cloud cover, I think it's going to look quite spectacular. Certainly the reheat. Without further ado, my pleasure to introduce you to Flight Lieutenant Edwards.
Inbound, shut up, he's inbound.
Good afternoon, Cosford. My name is Flight Lieutenant Edwards. I'm one of the Chinook pilots from the 18th Squadron. This year we wanted to bring you something a little different to what you may have seen previously. And as such, we'll be showcasing the aircraft's operational abilities in an all-new 2020 roll demonstration. The Chinook fulfills many operational roles, including trooping. The roll demonstration is brought to you jointly by 18th Squadron, the premier frontline operational Chinook Squadron. And the joint pilots, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please turn your eyes to the sky. It's deployed on multiple operations, flying in 5 different countries throughout Africa and the Middle East. If you listen closely, you can hear the gearboxes working just that little bit harder as they cater the extra weight. The Chinook is famous worldwide, not only for its ability to carry 3 underslung loads simultaneously, but also its load carrying capacity, both externally and internally. In today's configuration, the aircraft could carry an incredible 6 additional tons of freight and still achieve an impressive range of 300 miles. The team now positioning to drop off the underslung load in front of you. Dropping off an underslung load requires a robust and effective communication process between all crew members. The pilots were unable to see what's going on underneath the aircraft. This is achieved by the crewmen in the rear cabin taking a mental picture for the pilots of the engine drop. Using voice marshalling to direct the aircraft to the precise drop-off point, ensuring the aircraft runs safely and clears the load. The line side of marking the smoke. Not only does this identify the drop-off area, but it also gives you an appreciation of the wind, direction and strength. Once safely on the deck, the JCS-17 will leave the aircraft in order to attach the gun to the Land Rover and provide mutual support ahead of moving it onwards to its platform field location.
You didn't see it. Oh my god, just like that.
On the ground, we can see the troops de-rigging the load. JTSF is on specialist helicopter handling unit for defence. The joint squadron, made up of both Army and RAF personnel, based out of Orange Fencing and Oxfordshire. In 1982, they primarily worked with our UK support helicopters, including the Chinook, Buba and Merlin. Providing specialist helicopter landing site reconnaissance and movement of essential supplies by internal and external links. Exactly as you can see during today's demonstration. They've been involved in every major conflict in their 40-year history, and the team today is led by Sergeant Lawson, an RAF mover with a team of 4 Royal Logistic Corps, 3 Army and on field. During conflict in Afghanistan and Iraq, the unmistakable sound of the ship's program offered reassurance to those on the ground, letting you know help was always to hand. The unmatched combination of power, agility and endurance. Cooperation for over 40 years, always making its time and its target, whatever the task. Looking out the starboard window today is Sergeant Mal King, born and raised in South Africa. Mal moved back to the UK in 2003, where he served as a crewman, running Mark 7 with the Army. He eventually saw service in 2019 and came over to the Chinook Force on a 4-year exchange. Fortunately, most along the line, that exchange became a permanent transfer. He's our lead crew weapons instructor and has accumulated over 2,000 flying hours. You'll notice that Duke is handling the corner smoothly today. Not only does this also cover running landing. This is maneuver used when the aircraft is operating with limited power, such as flying at high weight, in hot and high climate, or in an emergency with one engine inoperative. As maintaining forward speed reduces the power demand on the aircraft. As they run the aft wheels on, you'll see the tandem rotors of the Chinook used to bring the aircraft to a complete stop. And showing just how much Chinook will now demonstrate the goes down quick stop. A flying technique that are used to turn the aircraft on a sixpence. Quick stops are a core handling skill which allows us to keep the speed as long as possible and are particularly useful when the troops are spotted late in on an approach, or during dusty, brownout or snowy whiteout conditions. So one last time, please put your hands together for the 2000.
We were here for 2 hours.
Chinook rolled out the surge.
So we have 2.5 hours